Hi there, my name's Grant, and in this video I'm going to review Larry Benedict's brand new report called the Bitcoin Skimming Blueprint. Now, this has only just been released in the past couple of days and I've just read it, and it is a fascinating report. And what I want to do is just tell you a little bit about it and review it for you. And then after I've done that, I'm just going to show you around what you get with one ticker trader. Give you my personal thoughts on the service. So if you decide to join one ticker trader, you can do if you wish to do so. If at any point during the video you want to join one ticker trader, I'll leave a link in the comment description below. Just click that link and you'll be taken to the one ticker trader page where you can make your payment and join if you want to. No pressure to do so, but if at any point you want to join, link in the comment description below. Okay, so on with the video. So this is a fascinating report. I'm really interested in crypto. It's probably my main thing. Even though I've been a member of Larry Benedict's service since August 2022 when it first launched. My main thing is crypto. I'm really fascinated by it and everything like that. But the problem with crypto is that it's extremely volatile. And if you're just investing in Bitcoin, especially now, the gains, whilst Bitcoin is still fairly volatile, you know, you're going to have to hold. You're going to have to hold Bitcoin and just go through the peaks and troughs. But with the strategy that Larry has come up with, you can profit from Bitcoin in as little as a couple of days, potentially every week, by trading Bitcoin without holding or even buying Bitcoin and jumping through all the hoops of, you know, all the different exchanges that you need to be a member of in order to buy. So this is a fascinating strategy. So let's talk a little bit about it. So the normal way to buy Bitcoin is, say you open a Coinbase account and you go on there and buy Bitcoin, and most likely if you're a novice you'll just hold it and hope for the best. Most people, especially novice, you know, Bitcoin and crypto investors, don't really know what they're doing, and most people lose money because when they see the volatility in Bitcoin or other cryptos, they panic and just sell and most likely lose money. That is the problem with Bitcoin and crypto investing. You need to know what you're doing. It's extremely volatile. It's a roller coaster ride, and most people invest in Bitcoin and crypto lose money because they don't have a strategy and they just don't have the emotional resolve to be involved in the crypto market. But with Larry, he's found a really unique way of investing. So I think it was last year, the first Bitcoin spot ETF was launched. And this is basically a fund that buys Bitcoin. So basically it allows traditional and institutional investors to invest in this fund without actually buying Bitcoin. But because when they buy shares in the ETF, they are getting exposure to Bitcoin, and these ETFs track the price of Bitcoin. So when the price of Bitcoin rises, the shares in the ETF rise, and so on and so forth. But we're not buying shares as an ETF. If you don't know, which you probably don't, Larry is an options trader, and options trading is a way to basically sort of invest in shares in a company with actually buying and holding them yourself. So basically, hopefully I'm not going to butcher this because I'm, you know, technically not a options expert. So basically, when you buy an options contract, you buy it for, you're agreeing to buy or sell shares at a set price for a set period of time. So you're buying a contract to buy, because each contract, you know, gives you access to 100 shares if you choose to buy or sell them. So basically, when you buy one contract, say you want to buy, I don't know, an option on Apple shares. So you buy one contract, say, you know, you buy that contract and it gives, depending on whether you buy a call. So with a call option, basically you're agreeing to buy 100 shares of a stock at a set price over a set period of time. And if you buy a put, you're agreeing to sell 100 shares in a stock at a set price over a set period of time. And that is basically the essence of options trading. And on each trade, you can buy multiple contracts at a time, which makes options trading really exciting. Beautiful thing about options trading is you can make profits very quickly. It can be a very safe way of investing, but obviously the more contracts you buy, the more risk you take. So what Larry's done is he has found an ETF fund, a new ETF fund that he can trade using options. So basically he could get exposure to Bitcoin through options without actually buying and selling options themselves. So basically, there's an ETF fund that when Larry sees the right indicators, he'll put out either a buy or sell alert for either a call option or a put option. He'll give you a strike price and the date to hold it till. And basically, you just follow Larry's trade instructions, telling you which fund to buy, the ticker, the strike price, and the expiration date of the option. And then you just go to your brokerage account, look for that trade in your brokerage account for the ETF, and then you hold it. And then basically Larry will tell you to sell it, and hopefully by the time you sell it, you have made a tidy profit. And this is basically the strategy. It is, I'm not going to say it's as simple as that because there's going to be a learning curve. But once you get the hang of it, you just do this time and time again, making profit from Bitcoin without buying and holding Bitcoin. This is incredibly interesting for me because this means you can make profits from Bitcoin potentially. It's not going to be every week because in order for this to work, you need volatility, which luckily Bitcoin does. And I think this year Bitcoin's going to be very volatile. The more volatility you have, the more profits you're going to make. And that is really the Bitcoin Skimming Blueprint in a nutshell. So if you've always wanted to trade Bitcoin, but you don't really want to buy and hold Bitcoin yourself, this is a strategy worth trying. So whilst I haven't done this yet, I'm going to be placing some of Larry's trades. I've actually placed many of Larry's trades before, and I've made some nice profit. So what I'm going to do now, so that report, give it a 5 out of 5. I think it's a fascinating report. So let me just walk you through one ticker trader very quickly. What you get, first thing you get is the issues and updates. So you get the monthly newsletter, and you get all of Larry's trades here, as you can see here. These are the trades, and in each of his trades gives you all of the details of the trade. The ticker. You're going to get whether to buy a call or a put, depending on whether the share price is expected to go up or down of the ETF you're buying into. You can have a strike price, which is the price you want to set the price of the shares of the option at, and you'll get an expiration date as well, which is when the option expires. And then basically you buy, so when you get a buy alert, you buy an option, and when you get a sell, you sell that option. Simple as that. Beautiful way to make money through options, but also trading Bitcoin. So that's issues and updates. These are all the special reports you get. So this is the Bitcoin Skimming report. You get the Money Shot calendar. But also you got the one ticker retirement plan, which basically Larry's known for. He just generally trades. He looks every month. He look to trade one stock time and time again using options. And then this is basically his foundational report for learning how the basics of trading options. So those are the special reports. My advice is go through all of those to bring you up to speed. That's the portfolio of all of the open positions. And then this is basically the videos, how to place the options trade on their recommended brokerage firm, which is Thinkorswim, but you don't have to use that. You can use any brokerage that you want, but this is how you place options trades. So basically, that is one ticker trader. That is Larry's Bitcoin skimming strategy. Like I said, I've been a member since August 2022 when this service was launched. I love Larry's work. He makes options really simple for novices like us. And like I said, I've made quite a few profitable trades using Larry's trade recommendations. So if you want to, start trading options, or you want to start trading Bitcoin using Larry's option strategy, I highly recommend that you join One Ticker Trader. You can join One Ticker Trader for 80% off. It's normally $4.99, but you can join for $1.99 today. And yeah, you basically get your membership locked in for a year. Actually, I don't know if that's 80% off. Sorry, I might have butchered that. But yeah, you can join today for $1.99. Price is normally $4.99. So basically, once you join for $1.99, you get everything you see here. So yeah, that is everything you need to know about One Ticker Trader and the Bitcoin skimming strategy. I give this service 4 out of 5. I love it. A really interesting, unique way to trade the markets using options. So if you want to join One Ticker Trader, link in the comment and description below. So that's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful, informative, and I'll speak to you soon.